Hi, my name is Georgia, and I'm the head of production at ClearMix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your studio, how to set your background, and what to wear before you record. Inside your studio in a box, you will find a 4K web camera, a USB microphone, a ring light which also serves as your tripod, and a USB adapter. Pro tip, if you have your own studio setup, use that too. It will only enhance the production quality. Let's start with your background. Think about where you want to record. Make sure it's a place that makes you feel powerful and confident. Pro tip, consider sitting or standing. It's up to you. Just let your live producer know before we hit record. While setting up your camera, it's important to keep in mind your eye line. We want to make sure that when you look into the camera, you're looking directly into the eyes of your audience. Pro tip, instead of putting your camera on your MacBook or your laptop, your camera can also be placed on the ring light inside your box. Now let's move on to your microphone. Plug it in and sit it on the desk. If you're standing, grab something nearby like books to prop it up. We want to raise the level. It's important to keep the mic close to your mouth, but we don't want to see it in the camera shot. Now, let's set up our light. Your ring light is also your tripod. And yes, it is adjustable. It can sit on your desk or stand on the floor. Here's a lighting pro tip. Sit in a room with lots of light. It might even help to sit in front of a window. That means the back of the camera is facing the window and the front of the camera is facing your face. Now, let's set up your cell phone. We can record directly through our online platform. Now that we have our studio all set up, it's time to find something to wear. Avoid busy patterns, wear business casual, pull out your primary colors. Blues, reds, and greens really pop on camera. Congratulations, you're all set and you're ready to record your first video. Good luck.